In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and let me show you how to activate the camera timer on the following device. So at first just click on the camera icon, and here you've got the timer tab. Click on it once and then pick the preferred option. I will go with 10 seconds, and now you will be able to grab a picture with 10 seconds delay. Here it is. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Then whenever you would like to turn it off, just mark the icon again and click on off. Now you can grab a picture with no delay. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.